Alright, so my name's Carson Sargent. Today I'm going to be doing a bike check of my 2011 Premium Duo. Starting over here, I have my Grand Slam, my S&M Grand Slams, in chrome, of course. They're, I think, 8.5 by 28 wide, something like that. I have Haro front rim, which is horrible. Like, do not get a Haro front rim or Haro rim, period. They just don't last. And I've had this one like a couple months, and it just broke on me. Probably because I don't have hub guards, but the other side broke, so not really big on that. Colt forks. I have an Impact headset. It's a racing headset, so I mean, I just kind of like the feel of it. I have no idea what that stem is. Something stock that came on this. I bought the frame in a piece set. I have Eastern tires. They're 2.3s. Looking to upgrade to 2.35. Probably fits or gonna fit FAS or demolitions soon. I have Amber something cranks, not too sure. This is a super old United / Eclat seat. On this side, I have Eclat pedals. Yeah, on this side. This was a Eastern sprocket, super light one. I'm not too sure what it is, but it's really light. I bought it at a local bike shop. My chain is a KMC, just because I've always ridden KMC and they always seem to last. I ride an Ezra Opus rear wheel. That's probably what I'm going to upgrade to on my front wheel. And my pegs, I have no idea what they are, but they're super thick. Like, look at them, they're really thick. They're old too, but I mean, had them forever, and honestly I don't see the point in changing them out if they work for you. So on this side, again, Amber, but I ride a Eastern pedal on this side just because the other side I grinded off doing crank arm slides and stuff and trying to learn them, messed it up. Yeah, my grips. Oh yeah, I forgot grips. Grips are Primo grips. I really like them, but yeah, I don't know what they are, but the Primo just, I think the closest I can tell you about the grips is that they're the Primo boy grips, which are really sick. My frame is 21-inch top tube, which I'm a taller guy, I kind of like it. I want to switch to a 20-inch tube just to help with nose manuals and stuff, but right now it's working for me. This rear wheel, the Opus, the Ezra Opus, you can find it on Bane BMX. Honestly, for 140 bucks, this is a really awesome wheel. I don't even think it's that. I think it's 120 now, but I've seen some sites giving it away for like $200-300 bucks, and if you buy it right off Bane, which is where you're supposed to buy it, that's who actually sells it. It's really cheap, and honestly, I don't know if you can see in there. It's probably really dark, but I just shut the camera off. Anyways, it's a transaxle. I run a female. I had to change the axle, of course. It comes all female, but I messed up the strip, the axles, trying to switch over my chain and stuff, because I recently broke my chain. Don't ask me how I did that. I don't even know. So, but I ripped that up, and it's just super easy. They send you a pack of 3. One is a transaxle. As you can see, it's a male axle on this side, and you can't see because there's a peg, but female axle on that side. And then they send you an alloy, just an alloy one that is really light, but if you're a real bruiser, you may not want to ride them. Yeah, and it's really loud too. I'll give you a sound check really fast. Hold on. Had it for like 6 months, and honestly, it's just now starting to go out of true, and that's my fault because I haven't taken the time to true it up. But it'll spin forever, and it's really light, double walled, but it has holes cut in it to maintain weight and all that. Which I mean, I don't really care about. That's really good wheel. I kind of botched this one up. It was my first bike check. Comment and let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Any questions? I'll try my best to answer them. Okay.